For you. Today, Johnny, my man, how are you? Good. Johnny, every spicy challenge that I've given to you so far, you've just knocked out of the park, and it's really pissing me off. So today, I got something new for you. This time, 13 million Scovilles. The last thing you did was Satan's Toe, and that was 9 million. Now we're looking at 13 million. Be prepared, son. First, let's ride around though, yeah? Johnny and the Scovilles. It's a good name for a band. Johnny's in trouble today, for sure this time. So far, out of all the challenges that he's done, it was that chip that was his worst so far. I don't know. I talked to Johnny about this whole Scoville thing, and he doesn't have a whole lot of faith behind the scale. So I got a new camera, courtesy of Voss. Thank you. I'm running a Hero 8. Yeah, upgraded quite a bit. So hopefully visually, this video is a little bit more appealing to you. Voss wanted me to start showing more, I don't know, selfie type shots, because I'm wearing their helmet. Big shout out to Voss Helmets. Thanks for the new cam. I just hope the audio and everything's right. I have no idea. This is my test run. Let's take this moment, give a lot of love to the patrons of the channel. Thank you for your continued and much needed support. Definitely appreciate that. All right, I've done enough talking. What do you say we get on to torturing old Johnny? Oh, let me tell you about this challenge. I didn't do that yet. So the challenge that we're doing today with Johnny, it's called the Tube of Terror. Some of you guys might be familiar with the Death Nut Challenge. Well, this is kind of an upgrade to that. He's got like 30 peanuts he's got to eat, and each of those peanuts has to be eaten within 10 minutes, and they have to be consumed at 1 or 2 at a time. It's got to last 10 minutes, and then he's got a 5-minute cool down period where he's not allowed to eat or drink anything. I'll race to the other side of the intersection. Got him. All right, let's find like a quiet place to do this challenge. Maybe a park? Yeah, park. Once this challenge is over, I'm gonna give Johnny the green light to choose any restaurant he wants to eat at, win or lose. I know we're in the area of Boston Marcus, so hopefully he chooses that. Oh, we screwed up, man. Darn it. Are you ready, Johnny?
Ready as I'll ever be.
It's coming, dude. All right, Johnny. All right, Johnny. The Death Nut Challenge. Tube of Terror. You've heard of it?
Nope. Not this one.
You nervous?
Yeah. 13 million capsaicin crystals. That's what I'm nervous about.
I don't even know what that means. Sounds dangerous, though. I think this is going to be worse than the chip, Johnny. Do you know the rules?
Yeah, it's right on here. No food or drink. 10 minutes to finish the tube. Only eating 1 to 2 nuts at a time. And then a 5-minute afterburner.
On your marks, get set, go. Good. You're in full concentration mode.
Yeah.
They taste good at least?
Flavor's good.
Flavor is good. You're not sweating yet, Johnny. I'm proud of you. Oh, your eyes are watering. That's the start. Is this hotter than the chip?
Yeah.
And the chip almost did you in.
It's hitting my stomach so hard right now, dude.
You're 2 minutes and 33 seconds into this. Is that the look of defeat?
I think so, dude. Yeah.
No way, really?
My stomach hurts so bad right now. I can't anymore, dude.
Are you telling me I finally found something that stopped the almighty Johnny? Tube of terror.
Then I go on a walk, dude.
You gonna go for a walk? You think you're gonna throw up?
Maybe.
I feel bad, but I got him. John, I'm gonna take you to your favorite restaurant, wherever you want to go, man. Yeah. How you feel?
My stomach is like the worst pain I've ever felt in my stomach right now.
Really?
Worst stomach pain ever, dude.
911?
No.
Nut challenge gone wrong. You're all done with these hot challenges, aren't you? It's okay, Johnny. You had a good run. I'm happy to not be torturing you anymore.
I think maybe if I prepared better, I would have gotten closer to completing this, but...
So do you think you could have completed this with the right preparation? You're setting yourself up.
Yeah.
Do I gotta get another tube of terror? You need a rematch.
I gotta come back to this, dude.
That a boy.
Preferably when I'm not doing anything afterwards.
Yeah.
I don't take defeat, man. Not that easy. But
I was surprised. I don't think you made it halfway through these.
I don't know, I thought this was gonna be like the chip or Satan's toe or something, but this is crazy. It's like pure capsaicin crystals, dude.
I don't know what that means.
That's like the chemical that makes peppers spicy, dude. Times a million. Times 13 million.
I'm sorry you didn't pass this challenge, but you're gonna be back.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
You're just gonna prepare a little bit better?
Yeah.
Before I put my helmet on, we had a conversation. We were talking about pepper spray, and you're saying this is basically pepper spray in an edible form?
It's close to like, yeah, the amount of Scoville or the heat level of pepper spray.
So if you pass this challenge, the next thing is literally a spoon of pepper spray.
No. Has anyone ever done that?
You could be the first. If I look into it and it's determined that it's not going to kill you, would you do it?
Maybe.
Johnny, your spot. Where are we going?
Going to the Habit.
Habit. I like the Habit. I haven't been there in years. Let's do it. The Habit Burger is an American fast food chain. I think they got about 250 locations spread out through, I don't know, maybe a dozen states, most of which are being on the West Coast. I do think there's a couple locations in Virginia. I think the first Habit Burger was established in Santa Barbara, which is also in California, and now the headquarters is in Irvine, which is where we're at today. I do apologize. I have a feeling this is going to be a short video. We didn't get through the 15 minutes I thought it was going to take Johnny to eat these peanuts. Now that I've been riding around for a little while using this new camera setup, what do you guys think? Are you into it? How's it look? How's it sound? You like the two different angles? Leave me a comment. Let me know. Gatorade. Who knows what that's from? Waterboy. Neutral light still doesn't work. All right, Johnny, let's eat. Habit Burger, what'd you think?
Awesome, man. Really hit the spot.
I liked it. Good choice, man. I'm sorry you failed the challenge today, but we're gonna do it again.
Yeah, I want to do it again.
So I'll get online, I'll order us another tube. We'll come back at it.
All right.
Well, good seeing you as usual.
Yep.
Have a fun day at work.
Thanks, man.
Well, this isn't fun. Move, Prius. Fun day as usual, man. Hopefully Johnny feels better by now. Yeah, that's it, man. This one's done and over with. So if you like this video, hit the like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Huge love to the patrons of the channel. Man, you guys, I tell you all the time, man, but I appreciate it. Check out my website at suburbandelinquent.com. There you'll find a list of everything that I use to make these videos. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. A lot of dirt bike stuff. Well, it's all dirt bike stuff. A lot of dysfunction over there. It's fun though. We have a good time. Let's give a lot of love to the channel partners. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their products or services, consider them first. That's it. Just give them a chance. And I'll catch you guys later.